Morning. Today's experiment is testing an air horn I built. The air horn is pretty basic. I just have a stem in the back of this plastic pipe here, and the stem reaches down to here and is covered by a piece of mylar. That's the red stuff here, the mylar. And then I terminated the other end of the pipe in this horn that was from a loudspeaker. And what I'm doing to control the pitch is using this air adjust. So if you'll wait a moment, let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay, here we go. We have our air hooked up. Not bad for a piece of plastic pipe and some mylar. Have a good one.